How to invite a friend on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp application. Tap on the three dots that you can see at top right corner of your screen. Tap on the option Settings. You can see various settings options. Scroll down. Tap on the option Invite a friend. Now you can invite a friend from contacts, or you can also share the link. You'll be able to see the contacts over here. Tap on the invite option right next to the contact that you would like to invite. Now the invitation link will be sent to them. Or you can also share the link. Tap on the option share link. Now you can see the link over here. You can also see various platforms. Tap on the option copy in order to copy the link. Now you can simply go to any platform of your choice. For example, I'm going to Messenger. Tap on the chat where you want to share the invite link. Tap on the message bar. Paste the link that you copied earlier. Tap on the send icon. Now the WhatsApp invitation link will be shared. This person will be invited to join WhatsApp. Like this, you can invite a friend on WhatsApp. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.